testing for TX2K because we're trying to make it there and the car be okay down there. Right now, this is the hardest we've drove the car since the single turbo. I honestly think we're just making the car relearn how to drive.
Yeah.
But we're dropping down to 50, and you would go, okay, you got a problem with your low pressure system. Well, we just put a new pump in the car like 15 minutes ago, so we know it's a good pump. I almost feel like I broke up there. Feels good.
Yeah. Part of me also thinks that it could just be the, you know, the base map.
Could be. My shifter just broke.
How the fuck? Can you get it in first?
Look here where we in when we let off.
Go second. Whoa.
We are in a gear. I don't know what gear we're in. Okay.
A pin come out? Oh, that bolt sheared off. See what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Okay. We're in first. Okay.
Don't mind us. That was very...
Okay. Here.
I did not see that coming.
Okay. I thought we like...
I heard that and I thought you just like missed gear or something.
We're just gonna have to like roll in first.
You don't think you can get second?
Like I can shift, I just have to like
Hold it in place.
hold it in. Hell, we don't even need the flashers now. That's a
my.
first. Okay.
Like I know nothing, but it looks like an easy fix. Like you just need a bolt.
Sure. Because it goes on the trailer tomorrow for TX2K. Glad we did testing tonight.
Yeah, really.
It's just chilling in fourth right now. It's practically fixed.
So we're gonna limp this thing back to the shop, and I guess it'll chill until it goes get welded tomorrow.
Yeah. Poles were good though, kind of. We'll get a new tune come Houston.
TX2K bound. Maybe. Cam. Yeah, Gage's car did an oopsie. No.
Just come look in here. Look right in here. Just watch. It's a quick release shifter. Like as long as you
Just zip tie that on. Actually, if you do that, it should work again.
I can't believe we got that on video. I did not expect that to happen. That was crazy.
insane.
I thought you had a fueling issue.
Well, fueling, shifter, same thing. First it was the rear end,